And thank you so much, friends, for your support and 1199 subscribers. And today there is a new question, which is HPA. Whatever I had told yesterday earlier that HP related questions will be asked this time, so far no one has discussed the BPA question. But HPA question meaning has come. This is what people say even Van off to me created in the comments. Thank you for that. Comment and well on this screen you are seeing this blog. I will send it to you in the comment box, and if you open it directly, then this blog will be opened in which all the questions are. Okay, then you can ask questions in it. And then you can directly create this type of environment and also make social calls, so nothing needs to be done. You have to open Firefox in 2 tabs and open this link in 1 tab and click on the question you want. In the second part box, and here you have to open the painkiller code. Okay, so I will control, okay, now I will reduce it a little phone because in this again, I will not know what I am doing, I am fine. So this is a question, create a horizontal pod autoscaler named new cloud. So it has already been named. You don't have to have another name, don't you call me Nick? New cloud hyperserver itself is to speak, right? And its namespace. In which house does he live, or in a house with autoscale? Okay, so HP must target the existing deployment called new cloud server. So who else lives in his house? So there is another guy living in his house who has a new cloud, but he is a deployment okay. So now he is saying that HP has to be configured okay. And how should that configuration be done? That there should be a pod on 50% CPU uses, means average pod utilization should be 50%, and what is in it should be minimum van and maximum. What is in it should be 4, okay, and what is in it? Downscale stabilization window also has to be given 30 seconds, so we create its pre-request, then you have to copy and paste this command. I do a copy paste to create the things that you can also create, but here you do not have to copy paste to create the ready-made environment. Sir, I'm in a bit of a hurry, but I don't have time, so I have to hurry too. I am doing VI and here I am doing DPPL, then you will get this part of the actual exam already created. You do not need to do that. If I will do the deployment, I have not inserted the space. Well, I didn't apply. Sorry, I have to apply here first. Happen app deployment. Okay, then the deployment is created. Then I do gate deployment. Then I am sorry, hype and autoscale. Okay, then I do control hall, gate, board, and autoscale. Okay, I am getting running. Then I control all from here. Our question. The solution will be turned on, then reset this type so that we know which sleep we have to have, then auto this horizontal code, auto we have to search for this, then this is the same directly by searching here and HP will be searched. Okay, after searching HPA directly, you are getting 2 things here, so I will go walk through once in this, will go into this, and I will take this thing down to the very last. I will go up in the last, then you will see me here. I will copy and paste this file of the application, Y is fine, and I will give the name HP. You can give anything. If you have found it now, then there is no problem, but you can give anything. The file inside is important. Okay, so first of all, you put the namespace in this. Okay, otherwise you will forget later. Edit and edit will continue to happen later. Okay, space. Okay, what happened to the namespace? Out of scale is fine. And what is the name of it now? What do we have to put it on? Put it on the server or the new cloud server first. What is its name? Right now, who is it targeting? Then it is targeting the deployment server and it has to change it here. Okay, then directly come to that line and paste it there. See, brother, what is here? It should be inserted. Okay, then remove it. After removing it, make a new copy and paste it here. Okay, now, what have your changes happened from top to bottom? Let's do it first. Okay, this is okay. New cloud server is okay. Namespace is okay. No, after this, the deployment is okay. Kind, because what do we have to do on that? Minimum replicator, maximum replicator is wrong. Okay, then change the matrix on that. Then it is on the research that the CPU is saying that at 50% pot, average utilization is written as 50. Well and good. Okay, so what do we have to do now to come forward a little? Enter. because the stabilization that we have is now played by finding it in this. You should know that you want the bag, click on it, and when you scroll it up to 80%, then after scrolling 80%, you will see the behavior here. This one is fine, then remember that one will come in the last and the other will come in the 80%. Now you have to put it under this pack. Okay, so double it here. So you already remember, press 2 tabs here. Okay, after that, not 2 tabs, press 2 spaces. Okay, and paste it here. This paste is wrong. Okay, here you should see this BS of this type. Okay, and this is your B, this is your M, which starts under the spec. Okay, the information should be in its particulars. Okay, then. So now I'm going to escape it. I will not do WQ brother because I have not done the edit here. So first you check all the things that brother has edited, because I will not make any difference here, but you will make a lot of difference in the exam there. So we had checked scale stabilization. The window has been changed to 30 seconds. Now I will escape here and do WQ, then do this. Now I will apply for it. This is fine. ML has become auto schooler. Okay, then whatever is right now, I will do it. Now I am doing the gate hatch. Okay, then it is not getting because there is namespace, water has been scaled. Then here you have got it. It has been created. I will do it later and it is showing anonymous here. It will be shown because it has been installed immediately. Then it will show all these things to you. It has been done. Okay, if you want, you can also unsubscribe it. Don't spend too much time testing yourself. This is your right choice. If you have done all the steps, thank you so much, friends. Yes, I want to please all the things in a very organized way so that there is no problem. Then you will get these things that I have in it. Okay. And it has all the questions and even sees questions along with all the other things. I will continue to put the information in it so that you do not have any problem. Okay. So stay in touch and thank you so much once again.